Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a few more travel-y stuff coming up, going to London very soon. But today, as you probably see by the title, got another Too Good To Go. Now, if you haven't tried Too Good To Go, I absolutely recommend having a look at it. So this is the app. You can download it on iOS, you can download it on the Google, the Android store, everything like that. And it's basically at the end of the day when food is going out of date, it's got to be sold, might be a restaurant, might be a shop. They get rid of them by putting a Too Good To Go on there, and you could buy it for a reduced amount. So for example, I've paid £2.75 for, it was over, I think it was £12 worth of stuff, and going to be unboxing that today. So let's check out. Welcome back. Also, if you could give me a like and a subscribe, that would be absolutely fantastic. Helps promote the channel, helps sort of set the algorithm and get it out there. The Too Good To Eat ones so far have done quite well for me. And this is massive. Now this, ooh, I'm dropping it all over the floor. So this is from Poundbakery. And this is the bag. I literally paid £2.75 for this. And you saw me unbox one before. This is probably bigger than the last one by miles. So I'm gonna get them out, have a look, and see. I've definitely got my money's worth on this. So starting off with mixed donuts. Look at that, we've got 3, pink, clear, and chocolate. So I think them alone are about, have we got a price on it? No, but yeah, £2.75. I've already got close to what I've paid. 2 white chocolate cookies. They are £1. Then got 2 jam donuts in a pack. Even though it is Poundbakery, not everything is £1. Sometimes you get 2 things for £1. Sometimes things are a little bit more as well. So got another 2 white chocolate cookies. There we go. Next up, this is the foodie stuff. So we have got potato and meat pies. There's 2 of them. They're, according to this, it's used by the 16th of June. Well, that's all right. Maybe they've got to sell them by a certain date. But yeah, that's all right. Have these tomorrow. Next up, got some more snacky. Oh, look at this. Some more white chocolate cookies. There we go. So that's £3 alone just for them. Now then, let's have a look. So this is more meal-based stuff. We've got a chicken mayo salad brown roll. That retails at £1.60. So that's it's all right. That might be my tea for tonight. In fact, I think it's going to be my tea, depending on what else is in here. And wow, I don't even know if I'm going to eat through all these in this weekend. Cheese salad bowl. There, lots of stuff in that. So there is, yeah, just salad, coleslaw. Next up, we have a ham salad bowl. So pretty much the same as the cheese one, just swapped with ham instead. Not bad. Oh, we are now at another sandwich. There you go. So £2.10 for this. So baguette, chicken mayo baguette. There we go. Again, it says 16th, so we've got till tomorrow. yeah, so till tomorrow for that as well. That's all right. I'll give me a bit of time to try and get through it all. And then finally, this is the last one in the bag, but this is definitely more than I got last time, surely. Really good pack is this. And also, finally, one of my faves, the custard tart. Really sweet, eggy custard tarts. Absolutely love these. Again, the 16th, so yeah. Maybe they have to sell them before that date. I have worked in retail. I'm sure we could sell them up until the date. So yeah, that's quite a good haul. So altogether, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. Now, I paid £2.75 for this. £2.75, and I've got 11 items. And bearing in mind they're called Poundbakery, I mean alone, just with the cookies, that's £1. This app is fantastic, especially like if you've got like a biggish family as well, just to get some stuff. And this, I don't know what we got. We got 2 salads and 2 sandwiches. That's 4 people there. So yeah, what do you think about it? Do you think this was a good pickup? Definitely liking the look of these meat and potato pies. I've not had them for absolutely ages, so they're definitely going to be in my tea, I think. And then we'll save the sandwiches for tomorrow. Might go out, have a picnic, do something. Although, if you're used to the weather in England, probably not, because it's probably going to be absolutely pouring down, just as pretty much been all day long today. So yeah, that's the haul. I'll just give you a quick look around and you can see another look at exactly what I got in this Too Good To Go. Don't forget, you can download the app. It is worth downloading the app. It's all local restaurants. It helps them out. It gets them a bit of money and also helps you out because you save quite a bit as well, as you can see from this haul. So let's have a look at what we've got. So here we go. This is the haul that I've just got from Poundbakery, and it's the Too Good To Go. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 sets of white chocolate cookies. We've got the custard tart, we've got the mixed donuts, the jam donuts, and then we're on to the meals. Yeah, go for meals after snacks. We got the meat and potato pies. We've got the chicken mayo baguette, the ham salad bowl, then across to the cheese salad bowl, and finally the chicken mayo salad brown roll. So that is, so there you go guys, £2.75 that's cost me, and that's what I've got. Yeah, can't fault that. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic little buy there for me. Don't forget as well, download the app. You can do this yourself. There's all sorts of places that do the Too Good To Go. Restaurants and shops as well. Yeah, nice little haul. So, fantastic little haul there from Too Good To Go from the Poundbakery. Don't forget, download the app. You get it on iOS, Android, and I'm sure you probably get it on any of the others, if there is any. I only really know of them too. Just a little video just before we get to the big weekend, because I'm going to be going down London. No specific reason. I'm seeing Taylor Swift. So yeah, excited about that. Going to be doing some vlogs down there, having a look around London. Don't really go down there that very much. It's quite a bit of a way for me. So yeah, so if you could just slam that subscribe button. Also, give it a like, comment as well. I mean, what do you think about this? This is definitely a massive bargain. Also, going to be massive on the waistline as well. But yeah, you know, who cares? It's fine. It all looks nice. So yeah, till the next one. See you later. Ciao for now.